Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with L'Oreal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing with L'Oreal, start by researching the company. Visit L'Oreal's official website to gather essential information. Look for their investor relations section for data on financial performance. Review L'Oreal's current stock price and historical trends. Create an account with a reputable brokerage firm. Ensure the brokerage offers access to international markets if you are outside France. Complete the necessary forms to set up your investment account. Fund your brokerage account with a preferred payment method. Decide how much money you would like to invest in L'Oreal. Assess your investment strategy. Are you aiming for short-term gains or long-term growth? Place a buy order for L'Oreal shares through your brokerage platform. Choose between a market order and a limit order based on your strategy. Monitor your investment regularly through the brokerage app or website. Stay updated on company news and market conditions that could affect L'Oreal stock. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks associated with investing. Review your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be informed about any dividends L'Oreal may offer and their impact on your investment. Stay patient and focus on your long-term investment strategy. Adjust your approach as necessary, but remember that investing is a journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.